Hi, today I'm excited to show you how we transform Brand Therapy's workspace using Notion to streamline their operations. If you're struggling with managing clients efficiently, this setup will show you how automation and organization can change the game for your business. Before these improvements, Brand Therapy lacked a structured client management system, making it difficult to track client progress. There was no dedicated feedback system, and their resources page wasn't intuitive, lacking clickable links and clear organization. Due to these inefficiencies, important client interactions were harder to manage and follow-ups required extra effort. To address these challenges, we structured their workspace into key areas: an optimized client portfolio template, a standardized template that can be used for each client, ensuring consistency and reducing workload. Client management system helps track every client's journey from onboarding to completion. Resources and SOPs provides a well-organized, accessible, and visually appealing database of materials with clickable links and the client feedback and testimonials section. This setup made it easier for the team to keep everything organized, automate repetitive tasks, and improve the client experience. Now, let's take a quick tour of the client portfolio template. This can be duplicated for each client to ensure consistency, just like this. First, the home section serves as the main hub. In the navigation section, we have links to all the pages the client might need throughout their journey, such as your Brand Therapy notebook acts as a central hub for all of the client's responses. Then 4 structured modules. Weeks 1 to 4, which are complete guidelines for the client's journey. Resources, which include gallery views of relevant additional resources and clickable links and previews that make them super user-friendly. FAQs and Get Help section for whenever the clients need support. Additionally, in the homepage, the client's scheduled sessions are listed clearly so they always know what's next. There's also a shortcut to the Calendly link page where clients can book their discovery session. And to keep them on track, we've included an action items checklist. Not only that, this template allows seamless navigation through different weeks of the program. Clients can use the navigation block or navigation buttons to move between sections. Overall, this template is designed to make the client service process smooth, structured, and stress-free. We designed a client management system that tracks every step from onboarding to session completion. Here's how it works. When a new client joins, we can add them with the Add Client button and tag them directly. Client statuses update as their journey progresses, starting from week 1 to completion. Session scheduling is now automated. Once the next session date is set, clients receive an automated notification, and reminders can be set up to be sent a day ahead. This is how the notification looks like. A calendar view displays all upcoming meetings along with client details for easy scheduling and tracking. Additionally, we set up key automations and features to improve efficiency, such as synchronized blocks in the Brand Therapy notebook. Any changes made in weekly prompts are reflected instantly in the notebook and vice versa. Let me show you. Notifications for completed prompts. Clients can simply click a button to notify the owner via Slack and Notion. We have also set up automated reminders for scheduled sessions to keep clients informed on the day they are booked and also one day before the meeting. Not only that, we have set up automated notifications for when the client submits feedback through this Notion form. The data from the completed form is also set up to be stored in the respective testimonial database, making it easy to track. Since implementing this system, Brand Therapy has seen major improvements such as streamlined client tracking and onboarding, reducing manual work, improved client engagement with automated reminders and structured resources, a more intuitive and organized workspace, making team collaboration and client communication more efficient. If you're looking for a similar solution to optimize your workflow and grow your business, reach out to us at Camel Tech.